All right, much better. All right, everyone. Welcome aboard Sundance Helicopters. Once again, my name is Robert. I'm going to be your pilot today. Today is the 9:45 brunch down to the bottom of the Grand Canyon. Today is Thursday, August 28, 2008. If everyone's ready, we do have some music on board that's going to be playing along the way, as well as a little narration that's going to tell you about the sites we're going to be seeing along the way. So if you guys are all ready, we're going to get out of here. Start up with a little music.
Yeah, baby.